going to say, I did not like the tone of the courtroom in terms of not saying, like, well, what's the problem with someone raising concerns about a widespread, cross-country, well-known and well-documented issue of, moms losing custody when they report, when abuse is reported by someone, not even necessarily the mother. And that, that this is not a bad thing that she's raising awareness about this. But it was just kind of clear the undertone of defensiveness and on edge by father's attorney, and
to imply that she's clearly not mentally stable. Basically.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that her post means, that she was clearly desperate in reaching out, and that
didn't understand his attorney trying to paint a picture of a mentally unstable woman that shouldn't have custody.
Right. But that's what I was saying. I think that was their feeble attempt to deflect a bit.
Do you believe the judge didn't look at any social media?
No, I don't. I don't buy it at all.
Because, right, now, but the judge can also, even though this is the part that everyone forgets, even though you walked out of that courtroom, you don't know whether or not the judge is going to write an order, right? Because I've left the room, and I'm going to be honest with you, I've left there, and they've said one thing, and then the order comes back totally different.
Yeah, I don't think she's going to be doing any custody orders. I think she made it very clear she's going to be very reliant on the GAL.
My argument has always been there was no reason to take them away in the first place. And now you need to get an order in that's 50-50 at a minimum by virtue of, because that's the issue at hand. She took them away because she got a restraining order.
Why should she have lost legal and physical custody of her children for trying to protect her children?
Exactly.
Gosh, I mean, she definitely did decent because his attorney is very aggressive.
Right.
Definitely tries to get loud.
Fully.
So
she put him in his place, and she did a great job at establishing a new level. Sort of what Chris was saying. I've certainly been in that case too, where I thought I was walking out with
winning.
Strong, very, very strong factual and evidence-based positions, and the judge did absolutely nothing. And in some cases went completely in my ex's favor illogically,
and that's
based off of just opinion of, I think that's retaliatory, so I'm just going to call it that to make an excuse to do whatever the hell I want as a judge.
So I'm saying
also tried to paint the picture that the kids were really well adjusted and doing well, and then mentioned what was posted online, and one of those things is obviously one of the children crying, and it's like, oh, really? They're adjusted so well.
Did they bring up what we've not told you? Did they bring up the daughter's allegations on Zoom?